Hi friends! Today we just ordered this box. It's made by Triple Stitch Crochet and we heard good things about it and we wanted to share the unboxing with you guys. So let's get to it. First, it's a little cute card. Say thank you. It's cute and it says Triple Stitch Crochet. Thank you for your purchase. We hope you enjoy. I wonder what's in here. Oh, first, look how cute this is. It's like a little flower. Look how cute the eyes are and the little rosy cheeks and the back's just so soft. Look at these are lemons. They're so cute. Perfectly spring decorations. Maybe even summer. The cute little pink bow. Oh, another bag of lemons. Wow.
Do you want to take one out? You want to take a look at it?
Wow. Wow, this is so cool. Wow. Look at the little lemon things. This is so realistic and so soft. And what's else in here? There's a little bee. Look how cute this is. It's like a little squishy. The little wings, little flappers, little cheeks, and eyes. And look at the little stitching. People stitched this. Oh, crap. And that's it. Bye, guys. Remember, this is from Triple Stitch Crochet.